What's the meaning of counsel? Counsel. Counsel.
Counsel. Counsel. Counsel refers to the act of giving advice, direction, or guidance, especially in a professional context. This term commonly refers to legal advice given by lawyers or attorneys, but it can also refer to guidance or advice from trusted friends, family members, or mentors. The role of a counselor is to provide support, empathy, and guidance to individuals who are facing difficult or challenging situations. Counselors may use a variety of therapeutic techniques, such as talk therapy or cognitive behavioral therapy, to help their clients achieve personal growth, overcome obstacles, and improve their mental health.